So, before the spring of '92, Los Angeles was not generally known in iconic image territory as Korean shop owners on their rooftops with M16s. It was after the riots that we said, is this what our city's become? Sheila Klein was an artist who was a public artist, and she had always wanted to do sort of like an urban candelabra with these amazing light poles that were here street lighting, and she was going to do it maybe in Baldwin Park. And after the riot, she said, no, I'm going to find an area that was deeply, deeply affected. And on top of that Hollytron, where all the guys were with their AKs and stuff like that, that's what came to define LA. So she did it there, on the corner of Vermont and Santa Monica. She did Vermonica. So she went to the city, she got some money, she placed all these amazing vintage street lights, which we love so much. And then it was like a Hanukkah miracle, because it was supposed to stay, the light was supposed to last for one day, it lasted for 8 days. It was supposed to last for 1 year, and they stood for 25 years. So they became a part of our collective consciousness. But as an art piece itself, it existed in this weird gray area. It's a public artist using public money on private property with stuff owned by the city. So when they finally came and said, well, you know what we're going to do? We're going to take this stuff out because they're going to resurface the parking lot or some sort of other song and dance, and we're going to put them here in front of the Bureau of Street Lighting. It caused a lot of concern for us because these were not placed here by an artist. Artists have rights, and it was kind of a jerk move to not even call and tell her. But they're here now. It's better than it could be. They didn't disappear, but it does raise a lot of questions and issues about public, private, artist rights, and specifically about the city of Los Angeles and how we treat our legacy. So I'm thrilled that these are now reinstalled in what is not Vermonica. So if the Bureau of Street Lighting decides to call it Vermonica for Virgil Santa Monica, so you see there instead of Vermont and Santa Monica, that seems like it's pushing it. But at the very least, you can come visit these today. And I advise you do it because I love them very much. Two other things. First of all, dig this concrete screen. Come on here and check this out. And secondly, City of Los Angeles, what's next? Because this is not Vermonica anymore. Sheila Klein's Vermonica is now this. Are you going to work with Sheila Klein to reestablish Vermonica? We're waiting for your answer. We're waiting for it right here, right now. And I'm going to stare at you like this until you give it to us.